Welcome guys, today I'm with the Marshall Emberton wireless speaker and I'm going to show you how you can pair it with your Windows PC laptop. So at the first, you have to remember to charge the speaker at least to the 50%. Here we can find the USB-C input on the right side, and here we will find this battery indicator. To power on this speaker we have to click and hold this button. As you can see, indicators are up, so we have to click and hold this Bluetooth button until this indicator starts blinking quickly. So let's click and hold it right now and then release. Put this speaker back close to your device. Right now you have to go for the settings. You have to go for the left side on the Bluetooth and devices. Enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher. Click to add a device. Select Bluetooth. And right now, just take a look on available devices. As you can see, below we can find our Marshall Emberton speaker, so click on it once. Right now we are successfully connected. That was very simple, as you can see. Right now I can recommend you, let me just remove it. Right now I can recommend you to open the system settings and go for the sound. And be sure that you successfully switch from internal speakers to the external Emberton Marshall speaker. So yeah, that's how you can make it step by step. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.